Hello friends, today we are going to create a tornado inside a glass tumbler. So for that, let's place the motor in the holder, then connect the motor with the power source. Now we are placing a hook in the straw and appending that hook with the straw to the motor, so that once we switch on the battery, the hook will rotate. Now fill the glass tumbler with water. Place the hook inside the tumbler as shown in the video. Then switch on the motor. Now you can see there is a tornado inside the glass tumbler. It looks so real.